Welcome everyone to Mr. Lennox Bennett's channel. This is Matt City and Gills. Guys, do check out this. This is stage one for grade 4, 5, and 6 persons. Definitely grade 7, you guys should all be doing this. All right. So if you know someone in grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, you can send them this video. All right. All right. So these are the numbers of 4 lottery tickets, and they give us which ticket has the number 31. So 31 is here, so that will be ticket A. So if a 31 player, a 31 are the ticket A are the winner. Which of the following lists show the number of decreasing each time? Decreasing. 601, no. 600, no. 600, 601, no. 610, 600, 601, and then 600. So that's descending order. The diagram shows a bracelet of bead. I think I did this one already. How many beads are there? Think of the beat again, I don't remember. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17. All right, so that's C, 17. So all you do is just count them. Oh, no, this diagram shows a ring with stones. How many stones are there? So let's use a different color because I want to kind of just differentiate. So 1, 2, 3. So the ring I'm going to buy and propose 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. All right, so there are 19 stones. So let's go. So that would be B. Again, guys, you are encouraged to try. Here is a sequence number 1, 6, 11. Each time they added what? What plus 1? Yeah. 5 plus what give 11? 16. Right? So that is B. I don't want to use the red continuously. In this calculation, 2 multiplied by what? Give you 14. And that will be 7. So this paper is a little bit easier, so I'll go a little bit faster. In this calculation, 12 divided by a number is equal to 3. What is that number? And that is 4. 12 divided by 4 give you 3. What is the cost of this used car in words? 3,010. 3,300. No, 3,010. So that will be C. Number 9. What is 660 written in words? So that's 6,606. 6,600. So that will be A. This one is straightforward. Number 10, a customer buys 1.5 kilogram of apples. What is the same as that? A half is the same thing as 0.5, so that would be. Is it the right button? Link up the students and want help them and let them call them. We're not able. So we need to change it. 1.5 liters paint is the same as 1.5, so that's a half, right? So that would be can D. Come on, guys, link up the students and let them link up the channel. A tin of tomatoes costs 46 cents. What is 46 cents rounded to the nearest 10 cents? All right. So 46, so that would be 50 cents. A man is 1.5 centimeters tall. This could be written as 175 centimeters because 100 or meter, yeah. 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So 175 centimeter is the same. Number 14, I did this one on an earlier paper, but this paper is much clearer. If you have not checked out my other paper, guys, you need to do so. So we need to change the world, you know. Be a mathematician, I'm gonna make worldwide. A person start from the crossroads and walk west. So that's, they give you north already. This is south, east, and west. So you go into the library to read book. You guys not checking out the library, you know. A bus journey take 50 minutes to a bus journey take 50 minutes. The bus leave at 7:55. What time would the bus arrive? So we need 5 more minutes to make to 7 o'clock, right? And then now if you take off that, that's gonna be 7:45. All right. So try get your bus, you know, guys. Try get your bus. All right, let's move on to number 16. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? And that is 1,000. I was saying earlier. Kilo mean 1,000, right? Which one of the following could be a correct estimate of a mass of 1 tomato? Is it 1 gram, 10 gram, or 100 gram versus 1 kilogram? Yeah. And that would be 100 gram. 1 kilogram and 2.2 pounds. You know? Suppose it's a really big tomato. Potato. And then you have a small one. I get that. A teacup holds about, that would be about 200 milliliter. One Pepsi will 500 milliliters or 600. So a teacup or less, so that's about 600, about 200. A body temperature in Celsius is normally about 37. Everybody's supposed to know this because every time you check the temperature, 36. So the temperature inside the refrigerator should be about, and that's 14. I don't know how they expect you guys to know this, but it's about 14. 14:30 is the same time as, so this is army time, so this is 2:30 p.m. Sales of printers. So that's January, February, March, April, May, June. That's a computer. And during the COVID time, the one computer represents 10 computers sold. All right. In which month were 50 printers sold? So that's the one with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be June. Remember, 1 represents 10. In a pictograph, 1 represents 5 ice cream. Which of the following represent 25? So that would be 5 again, right? Because 5 times 5 is 25. So that would be C. Move on to 24, hit the like button. This is the price list of a gym wear. All right. And it says, what is the price of a jogging trousers? Now, I need to go jogging. So that's 8.9. So that is B. Let's move on to 25. Money raised for charity. How much money did the catering department raise for the charity? So let us look at it. Money raised for charity. So here we have 250. This one is halfway again, 350. Hold on. How much money did the catering? Oh, the catering. I got total, like a 300 guys. All right, so catering. I can read the questions good enough, Mr. Benny. All right, let's move on to 26. What is the average temperature in June? All right, so this shows the average temperature. So this is June. Let's go up and see. Sky, so that is 30 degrees. Hot. All right, let's move on to 27. A bank customer pays into her account $150 in $10 bill. How many $10 bills does she give the cashier? All right, so a be a $10 bill and it come up to 150. So what times 10 can give you 150? And that would be 15. Okay, just add a 0, right? So that's 15. So I'm have to learn to spend money. Tell my parents and Mr. Bennett to get money to spend. All right, 28. So you guys can have experience with money. Which of the following would you use to draw a circle? Is it a ruler, a tape measure, a calculator, a pair of compasses? And that is compass. All right, this is a field. The length of the pencil needed for the perimeter of the field is. So we need to find the perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around. So we add up all of this to get the perimeter. So that and that, 15 and 15 is 30, 8 and 8 meters. And that would be C. I think I should big it up a bit now. Big it up, big it up, big it up. The next shape in the pattern is, so that's the same, so bam, bam. So this is going to be A. This one is a repeat question. The pattern needed tiles to count all of them, or you can say 7 times 6, all of them. One, I forgot to multiply those guys. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all right, so bear with me. Guys, you have to learn, all right? 16. Practice your time to add in. I keep adding and adding and adding, all right? Same number. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31. Just mean the number of squares where you take up the This was done on the other paper, but this paper is much, much clearer. So, all right. Mirror tiles measure 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. How many tiles are needed to make a mirror that measure 80 by 60? 80 by 60. So that would be, so that would be 80 times 60. So that's 48, right? So then 10 by, no, I don't need 0. Yeah. And then 10 by 10, that's 100. So that will give you 48. All right, guys. So that's 48. Let's move on to 32. We'll finish this paper as quick as possible. The area of a rug, 4 meters by 5 meters is, I guess it's a rectangle rug. They didn't say, I don't know why they didn't say that. 4 by 5, so that's 20. All right, this one is a repeat. Which of these nets could be used to make a box with no lid? Whoa. What the hell? One go. Not mid one. Oh, me see it now. That's A. So the base. All right. So that's A. But give me, guys. So on the way. This is a stack of boxes. How many boxes are there in total? Right. So let me see now. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be 4 by 3, and then times 2, because of 2 rows, 2 something, right? Same thing as volume, and 1, 2, right? So that's 24. That's volume, guys, all right? So that's 24, which is C. 36. The table shows the answers for 4 students gave after counting cubes with a volume of Q. Hey, summer school I got mad, you know. And that would be student A. What is the student give the answer to correct with a volume? Not A. B with the 3. B. So that's B. Volume is Q. Which one of the letter has a line of symmetry? And that would be A. You can cut it and you have 2 exact same sum. So that's A. Let's move on to 38. A man on a walking holiday walks 26 kilometers on the first day and 19 kilometers on the second. How far did he walk in total? So you add it. 5. So he walked 45 kilometers. Should I do that? You know, let's move on to 39. 125 students attend interviews at a college on Monday, 142 on Tuesday, and 142 on Wednesday. How many all together? So 142 and 142 and 125. So that's 9, 2 and 4. Yeah, that's 9, 8, 10. That's 0, 31. So that's 409. So that's D. 31 rather, minus 7, and that would be 24. 41. A book has 148 pages. You read the end of the page 89. How many pages are still to be read? So subtract. And from that leave 7. Read from 13. Leave 5. No, 9 from 9 are 18. So 18. 3 from 8, 2, that's 10. So 5, 59. So you have 59 to go, guys, all right? And we have 18 to go. A school has 5 football teams. It buys 14 shirts for each team. How many shirts does the school buy? So 5, 4, 20. 5 ones 5, and that's 70. So you buy 70 shirts. Pick up to that school. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a week? So you have 7 days. So it will be 24 times 7. So 7 fours. 28. So there are 168 hours in a week. How many hours you spend for maths? What are you 168? A bill totals 192. 4 friends share the bill costly. Oh, the cost equally. How much will each person pay? So that's 4. 192 divided. Subtract that, leave 3. Carry on the 2. Going to that leaves 8. So that's 48. So that is 3. Alright. I'm going good enough, man. I'm going good. 4 copies of the same book. Say 4 copies of the same book cost 56. How much does each book cost? So to find out each, you divide by 4. Going to that leave 1. Carry down the 6. You get 16. Going to that 4. So that's $14 per book. Alright. A cake can be cut into 8 slices. How many of these cakes are needed for 128 slices? So 1 cake, rice man cake, that you know. Yeah, man. 8. That leave 4 when you subtract 8 from 12. And that gives 6, 8, 6, 48. So that's 60, 47. In a diving competition, my first dive scored 9.3, my second dive scored 7.8. What is the total scores for this 7.8? So that's 1 decimal point 1. 48. What is the total weight of the 2 parcels? So one weight 3.3 kilograms. So we add them. 12. We carry 1 decimal point on the decimal point. Yeah, and that is 6.2 kilograms. Oh yeah, B. So that would be D. A length of 8 centimeters is cut from the rod, 76 centimeters. The length of the rod remaining is, so that's 76 minus 8. So 8 from that leave 8, and that leave 58. So that leave 58 centimeters. Number 50, a magazine costs 45 cents. How much change should be given from $1? And that would be 100 cents is in $1. Right? So it's like I saying 145. So that's 55 cents. A jar contains 3.5 ounces of coffee. What is the total amount of coffee in 10 of these jars? So we multiply 10 by 10, 100, and so we move the decimal point over, right? It's positive. So that will move 1 place because it's 1 0, so that will be 35 ounces. All right, 52. It takes 1.2 of wood. It takes 1.2 of wood to make 1 picture frame. What length would it take to make 7 of the picture frame? So that will be 1.2. Where the hell go on this? Where the hell go? So 1.2 times 7. So that's 7 goes 14. 717, and that's 8.4. Alright, so that's 8.4. Alright, now we can go down this one with a jar. A container holds 6.25 liters of orange juice. The juice is poured into 5 jugs so that each jug contains the same amount. How much does each jug contain? Now, all I have to do is just divide by 5. 5 into 6, 1. 5 ones, 5. Subtract 1. You get 2 this, right? 5 into that goes 2 times. 5 2 is 10. Remainder 2. Carry down the 5. Decimal point, so that's 1.25. As I say, guys, make sure wait for them get this before the exam. For concert ticket costs $43.80. How much does 1 cost? So 4. You understand, right? 4 into 4, 1. 4 ones 4. Carry down the 3. 4 into 3, 0. Carry down the 8. 4 into 38. 4 is 32. 4 9 is 36. So that's 9. 4 9 is 36. 5. So that's 10. Decimal point is here. 10, 95. 55. Let's go, guys. Want to finish this paper? 1 cake recipe costs half margarine and another requires 3/4. How much margarine do both cakes? So we have to add them, right? And that would be 1 1/4 pound. That was done on the other paper. You guys definitely go back and check it out, all right? A farmer grows apple and peaches on his farm. 3/4 of the land has apples and the rest has peaches. How many of his land has peaches? So it will be 1 minus 3/4, and that will leave a quarter. These are pretty basic, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on that aspect of it, right? The price of a bed was $6.50. It is half price on sale. What is half? What is half of $6.50? So you divide it by 2. So that's 650 divided by 2. So that's 3. 2 3s 6. minus, I get 0. Carry on the 5. 2 into 5, that's 1. 2 from 5, 0 now. 2 into that, 2 into 10, 5. So that's 3, 25. All right, so let's move on to 58, and then we will finish with 59 and 60. A taxi cab fare of the airport costs $29. 4 people are to share equally. How would you correct that? So that would be divide 29 by 4, not 4 by 29, all right? 59. How could you check your answer? 37 divided by 15. Multiply the answer by 15. Any answer you get, you just check it, multiply it by 15 and see if you get it. All right, and 60, the last one. The even number that is greater than 2 and less than 10 are, so greater than 2, so that will be 4, 6. Oh, less than 10 too. So D, 4, 6, and 8. It never say equal to 10 or equal to 2. So we cannot include 4. We cannot include 2 and 10. All right, so we have to exclude them. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Leonard Explaining. Thank you for watching my channel. This is Leonard Explaining. I'm out, no doubt. Guys, my number up on the channel, all right? I'm out. See you guys in the next video.